Need to insert a PDF document or even text from an external file directly into Microsoft Word? Here's how to do both quickly. First, open your Word document and click exactly where you want to place the content. Next, navigate up to the top menu bar and click on the Insert tab. On the right side of the toolbar, look inside the text group and click on the Object drop-down arrow. If you want to insert a full PDF, select Object. In the window that pops up, switch to the Create from File tab. Click Browse to find your PDF, and click Insert. If you want it to show up as a clickable icon rather than a full page, check Display as Icon before clicking OK. However, if you want to extract and insert raw text from another Word document or text file directly into your page, click that same Object drop-down arrow, but this time select Text from File. Simply browse your computer, choose the document containing the text you need, and click Insert. Word will instantly pull the text into your document layout. If these formatting options helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast Word tutorials.